Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10, Sick Week 2023, Day 2, Bradenton, Florida. Alright guys, so Bradenton's Motorsports Park was set up a little bit different than the way we were doing things in Orlando. If you're sitting at the starting line looking down track, the left area of the facility were the pits for the Sick Week contenders that were racing. On the right side of the strip was where the quarantine section, which are the top 3 leaders of each class, were, and the sick ward cars that were competing, or should I say participating in the event. So as we cut through here, this is pretty much everybody that was already in the staging lanes, and they were sitting here bright and early. We were running a little bit behind, like I said yesterday. Toward the end of the day, I got sunburned, and so at least they had to apply some lotion and some other stuff and take care of things. So the pits are going to look pretty bare. And mind you, these guys had to drive from Orlando Speed World to Bradenton Motorsports Park. And up above you see the map, and the one on the left is the one that was actually available to us prior to the event. The one on the right is the one we received from the tower when we were getting ready to leave. Basically, every time a racer turns in a time slip, they would get the route that they were to follow to the next track. That kind of helped eliminate, I guess you could say planned maintenance and stuff like that by outsiders and support and stuff like that. Now mind you, fellow racers can help you if you're broke down and stuff, so you're not just left out and kind of on your own. It is still a family-oriented thing, and racers, help racers and everything like that, and it's just no scheduled maintenance can be done. But if you were to break down on the side of the road, yeah, a fellow racer is going to stop and help you, not leave you stranded. So here we go, we're coming back up in a minute, and as we cut through the staging lanes again, you'll see that, the cars are getting ready for round 1. And I'm going to run up here and show y'all where I'll be perched and get some videos of the burnouts and stuff like that for the day. So hang tight. So as I round this corner right here, I'm going to make my way over to a fence line that we had picked out earlier, where I'm going to perch my fat ass to video some burnouts. So 3 hours later, we're going to head on out. We are headed to the right side of the pit, and as you can see, the cars to the left and center of the picture, they are actually from quarantine, so they're the leaders of the classes that are getting ready to make their passes. But after the track was shut down for a little bit, and they said it's still going to be shut down for quite a while, we had spoke to our friends that we met from Austria that are with the 66 Nova Race Team on Facebook, and they were going to get us some video of some of the passes that we were going to miss. So as around the corner, you can see to the left, Steve Morris's station wagon's over there. And there's this truck, the ice cream truck. I don't need any ice cream right now. We're about to head out, so we're going to go by him. And there's Alex Taylor and the Swedes Corvette and the Swedes S10. All the cars that are leading the classes, top 3 cars, would be placed in quarantine each day. And yeah, there's an explanation of it on the website. Just go to Sick to Mag and read the rules, and you can learn all about it. So me and Robert chose to go ahead, and all the cars you're seeing right now are from quarantine for the racers. The other cars are the sick ward participants. So we're cutting through right now, and the Sick Ward guys were great, man. The hospitality was great. They gave us snacks, water, kept us hydrated, all that stuff the whole time. But anyway, so we're going to be cutting through here real quick, and we're going to go, and we're opting to take the scenic route for the day. And the scenic route will allow us to stop at the Don Garlits Museum. So me and Robert wanted to do that, and so I'm making my way to our loaner ride here, this Tahoe, and then we're going to get out of here. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.